Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, my name is Maggie. I post vegan, health, and lifestyle videos. So if that's something that you're interested in, consider subscribing. I'd love to have you. But today I want to do a quick what I eat in a day as a vegan. Today is a cloudy, rainy day. It's perfect fall weather and to get cozy up in a nice sweater, some leggings. So without further ado, let's get to it and let's see what I eat in a day.
I got a little sweet tooth for ya. I'm looking for a bit of sugar. Lucky me, it's my cheat day, 'cause I'm feeling for you lately. Just a little taste, it could do me good. Extra for the road if you kindly would. Can't sleep till I get my fix. Candy, the way you move is something I fancy. My cotton candy daydream, I'm craving you, baby. Strawberry lips, I gotta have it. Biting on your tongue, my bad habit. You're my favorite flavor. Take it slow and savor. Just a little taste, it could do me good. Extra for the road if you kindly would. Can't sleep till I get my fix.
Alright guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like. Let's try to reach 30 likes on this video. That would be kind of awesome. But if you want to know any more in depth for any of these recipes, like the lasagna or maybe the breakfast or something like that, I could let you guys know in the comments, or I could just make a recipe on that, especially the lasagna. It turned out phenomenal. But without further ado, I'm just gonna go and enjoy another wonderful day. I hope you guys do too. I'll see you guys next one. Bye guys.